So in this video we're going to have a look at how we empty our waste ink tank on our Mimaki UCJV330 Series printer. So as you can see on the screen on mine, it's saying check waste ink tank. Just be able to see that there. And we can see just here that we have got quite a lot of waste ink in the machine at the moment. Now, the machine doesn't have any material in there, it's not loaded, it doesn't need to be loaded at the moment. So the very first thing I need to do is just open the cover here, and then I need to take the waste ink bottle out. So you'll see at the top here we've got this sort of little slot that we're going to bring it out of. So we're going to lift the bottle and then we're going to remove it like that. Now with that bottle out, we've got to now empty it. So that's got to go into a correct container. We've got to dispose of that correctly, as it is hazardous waste. We've also got to be careful when we dispose of it, so we do recommend gloves and safety glasses when you do it. So I'm going to go empty that now, and then we're going to go put that back in. So I've now emptied my waste ink tank. I've just given it a bit of a wipe down as well. I haven't sort of cleaned out the inside, but I've made sure I've got rid of any sort of congealed bits of ink that are in there. Now all I need to do is just replace it back into the machine. So back into that slot at the top and then push across. There we go. So it will hold itself into the bottom of the machine just like that. So then I'm going to shut that door back up. Now I want to go back up to my screen up here. You should see just there. So I'm going to click on function 1 for menu. I'm going to go down to the maintenance. I'm going to go into the maintenance by pressing my right arrow key just down here. Then I'm going to go all the way down to waste ink tank. Then it says reset waste ink volume, so I'm going to click that. And it tells you how to then do the process that we've just done. Pressing enter, enter. Clear waste ink tank volume count, OK, function 2. That's now done. So if I just press my end button again, we now do not have the waste ink tank error on our screen, and our waste ink tank is empty. So that's how we replace our waste ink tank on our Mimaki UCJV330 Series printer.